everyone. I'm very happy. Hello, everyone, again. I'm very happy to see you on our online webinar about solution architecture and about our program, our educational program. Uh, can I tell you a little bit more details about our webinar today? We will be together 1 hour, no more, just for 1 hour. And we have this agenda. First of all, our first speaker will tell for us about interesting topic for solution architecture and for all engineers. Next step is we will be happy to introduce our partner is American University in Kiev, and next part is mine. I will tell you a little bit more about our educational program, about one of our program. I want to share information about me and give you a short description about me. My name is Julia, and now I send you hello from Office EPAM in Prague in the Czech Republic. Originally, I'm from Ukraine, and I'm marketing manager, and my responsibility is promotion campaign for educational program. Maybe now you join our webinar because of my work and because of my involved to our project. Um, and let me wait like 2 more minutes for joining all our participants today. And if it's possible, can I ask you to share our location with us? Not just location, it's more like polite question for now. Is ask you where you based now, where you based. Maybe you are in Ukraine, maybe you're not. If it's okay, if you can, could you please share this information with us? Our location is and our current position, current job title. I hope everyone who joined us today, it's people from IT, because our webinar is for people from IT. It will be very interesting to know where are you based and about your current location, about your current job title. I can start now. I'm based in Prague, in the Czech Republic, originally from Ukraine. In my current position is marketing manager for EPAM. Um, uh, okay, 1 minute more, and now let's. Now, can I invite our main speaker? Is Maksym Diabin. Maksym, could you please join us? Maksym is a solution architect for EPAM with huge experience in this area. And today, Maksym will share an interesting topic for software engineer about solution architecture domain and about AI, I hope. Maksym, background is yours, and could you please start?
Yeah. Hello, Yulia. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Thanks
Hello.
for putting the spotlight light on me. So, hello, everybody. Today, I would like to talk with you regarding the topic that disturbs a lot of us these days. AI is emerging, and a lot of people are talking about it eating up into the world of software engineering and custom solutions development. So, uh, some answers possibly could be given throughout this presentation to you, and I hope this presentation, this short one, will make you understand the problem better, and also some of the solutions for the problem that you will see emerging in the upcoming 2 or 3 years. So the software position not to be taken over by AI yet. In this presentation, I don't give any specific um, forecasts, and it's basically a speculation based on my understanding of the field of the domain, and that's pretty much my personal view on the emergence of the AI in the field. So, my name is Maksym Diabin. I'm a senior solution architect working with EPAM for the last 4 years, and it looks like uh, my career has been developed throughout 4 years, kind of sprints, if I may put it so. So I've been working with some few companies out there in the wild, and mostly it's a 4 year long kind of sprint. Been working outside of US, outside of UK. Been working with ThoughtWorks. That's well known for uh, ThoughtWorks Tech Radar and other stuff. So kind of seen the world out there. So today, specifically, we can see that the software engineering is changing the way it has been previously. We can see that new tools are emerging each and every day, such as Diabin, for instance, and various types of copilots that allow us to develop code with the minimal kind of fractional effort that's been required, even some few years back. That allows us to develop faster. That allows us to develop code with less potential issues, with less potential bugs. That allows us to be more productive at the end of the day. And some of us fear that basically in some time in the future, the various coding assistants or various tools will take us out of our jobs, or will take the jobs out of us, and will not allow us to kind of develop code any further and make money out of it. My vision is slightly different, and let me share, what my understanding is. So already second year into the building, uh, ChatGPT has emerged, and basically it is influencing the emergence of a lot of new projects that we can see on the market, and that we can see on the horizon for the upcoming years. The history was quite a short one. However, in the software engineering and artificial intelligence space, that's a huge history, and huge history of breakthroughs. So one of the first things that has been developed in 1997, and since then we have seen a huge emergence of various works and tools. And the closer we get to today, to the current moment, the more things emerge, and the faster that happens. So there's even a concept called singularity, which represents the nature of the emergence that we can see these days. So the better things or better tools we have at hand, the more things will emerge at the present moment. So I guess that's pretty much what we are seeing with the emergence of ChatGPT 4, and the very close future development on ChatGPT 5 that hopefully is to be released soonish. Um, so, with those various LLM models, the expectations from the business end that those models will do the digging for you, and they will do the various types of work, such as project management, quality assurance, solution architecture, software engineering, and all various types of testing, and uh, you know all the activities within the software development lifecycle. However, while being a part of a few projects so far where LLMs were adopted, I can see that sometimes the expectations are not fully met by those tools. And I would probably see or say that LLMs allow to develop various kind of prototypes, or maybe get to the market and penetrate the market faster. However, those tools require a lot of tinkering, and a lot of kind of preparation to the enterprise grade, so that we ensure that each and every solution works exactly the way the customer is expecting. Otherwise, uh, or not even otherwise, but basically understanding the potential flaws and issues that LLMs present at the moment would highly benefit each and every solution architect, and also let us understand that those LLM-based solutions or Gen AI-based solutions, they do not deliver 100% end-to-end solution that's closing all the gaps. So let's try to understand the major large language model based solution fallacies. So first problem is alignment. Basically, every customer or every developer who is using LLM is trying to make LLM deliver some result with the help of prompts. And not always those results match the expectation of the human. To act the results, we need to understand and twag the prompts, provide enough context, provide enough information to the LLM so that it could render precisely the results we expected to render or to perform. Now, hallucination. Quite often, we see that the LLMs, if don't have enough information, they're trying to come up with something, and basically they lie to us while trying to present something, and sometimes they return gibberish, sometimes they return just random arbitrary responses just to kind of render provide some information, yet that information doesn't make any sense. And also misinformation. Again, it's hard to distinguish what is a lie and what is misinformation in this sense, yet large language models can render information that is not logically true, or that is not factual. So they do not verify if the fact is basically a fact, or that is just something that the large language model has kind of rendered itself. So basically, progressing from the expectation to the reality, instead of having a cat with a dig ready to basically dug holes in the soil, we can see various cats that are not ready to do pretty much anything. So I'm not saying LLMs cannot perform any tasks. However, quite often I can see that the expectations do not match at the moment. So I would probably say that there must be a solution to kind of this mismatch problem between expectations and reality. So one thing that we can see, and one thing that's clearly emerging at the moment, is accelerated solutions with a human in the loop first design. So basically, what we are seeing and what that looks like is, we are doing the extraction of the data from the documents or from various sources into the system. Yet there is some user interface for the human to see, observe, understand, and confirm if what the LLM based solution has done, what the LLM based solution has extracted, and whether the results are correct or not. And basically, the whole solution now becomes a loop of the feedback where the human is interacting with the solution, basically providing either a binary yes, no, correct, not kind of decision on the LLM processing, and then potential reprocessing of the document, or also providing some comments to the processing loop, where basically a human provides some comments or some arguments back to the system on how to properly process either this specific document if for some reason it wasn't processed out of the box, or basically the commentaries on the comments on how to process documents like that, or how to process all the documents. So essentially, uh, enriching the overall context of the potential solution that we are building. And while working on various solutions, I can see more and more of this human in the loop interaction. So now I would like to kind of leave that aside and talk about the trends of the custom software engineering in 2024. Clearly, Gartner, as a technology analytical agency, has identified a few major trends that will emerge in the upcoming future. At least that's what's been identified in 2024, and that is widespread application of AI, cybersecurity challenges, edge computing, 5G, quantum computing, big data, and some other ones as well. So my understanding is, that the AI application keeps growing and keeps emerging in various aspects of the field. That definitely renders a lot of help from where we have been like ages ago up to this very point. And so essentially, from the past, from the Model T assembly line, we are slowly migrating towards the Tesla assembly line, where no human interaction is needed for the most case. Now, the most case clearly puts us into the position of asking, what should I do if something goes ballistic, if something goes wrong? And that's where a human in the loop must be involved. And so even in the Tesla factories, there is some sort of uh, button or some sort of trigger to stop the overall kind of assembly line. So back to the software engineering. I can see that even though we are getting more and more help from various assistants and copilots, if we can call them so. McKinsey, which is the global leader in the consulting, is sending the consultants, especially the business consultants, back to the class. And they want the business consultants to learn as the technical leaders and technical experts as well. So, for that very reason, I think that the education is highly critical in these days and throughout the present times. Um, so. I think that the various skills AI assisted will be crucial for you to possess and for you to grasp in the nearest future. And it doesn't matter whether you're a developer or you are a solution architect or you are a manager. All of the career paths and career journeys will require you to learn various tools that will assist and accelerate your job, as opposed to just basically eating into your job, and that will allow you to perform better, faster, with higher results and higher quality. uh, I guess that's that. Yulia, do you have any comments?
Hello, thank you very much, Maxim, for your presentation. From my side, I don't have question, but maybe someone has. Please don't be shy and text your question to our chat, and we will give our answer. Maybe now, maybe late, because we will have a Q&A session in the end of our presentation. And now I want to invite our next speaker and introduce our next speaker. Um, can I? Yes, thank you. Um, yeah. Hello, can I call you Zhenya? I guess it's can be,
Hi.
because I hope many people in
Hi,
our webinar
Yulia.
today are from UK. Hello, Zhenya. Nice to see you again. And I'm very happy to introduce Evgeny. Evgeny is a executive director for lifelong learning program in American University in Kiev. And now, Zhenya, background and yours. Can you tell a little bit about your university for our participants today?
Well, thank you, Yulia. You can hear me well, right?
Yes, everything is okay. I can hear you. I
All
can see you.
right. Well, I'm not here to introduce myself. I'm here to introduce the university, just
Okay.
to say that I have over 20 years of experience in business development, sales, and marketing. I've had a big career in insurance industry, and for the last nearly 8 years, I've been in the education and training industry. And I've been with the American University Kyiv since its establishment in before it's actually officially started in Ukraine. It's been 2.5 years now. And I'm pleased to tell you about the university and about American education in Ukraine. Yeah, I hope you all can see the screen. Let's see if I can control it. Yes, I can.
Yes, yes, everything is okay. We can see,
Yeah,
we can hear you well.
great,
Everything's okay.
great. Well, as our name says, American University Kyiv, we are the American university and we are based in Kyiv. American education, higher education particularly, is the best in the world. It's not just a prompt statement, it's a fact, because if you take a look at any rating of the universities globally, you will see that the major part of the top 100 come from the United States, any rankings. What makes us different? We are, well, before going to this, we have been established in Ukraine in 2021, and we had our official operational kickoff in early February 2022, just 2.5 weeks before the full-scale war has started. Despite that, we did not close. We did continue our operation, and in September 2022, we had our first students enrolled into our bachelor's and master programs. As the American university, we are bringing to Ukraine highest standards of American education to Ukraine. We are partners with Arizona State University, and I will tell later on a bit more about this partnership. But one of the things that we benefit from this cooperation is that we can offer dual degree, Ukrainian diploma and American diploma to our student. We use English as the primary language of instruction. We have international faculty, people, we have professors coming from all throughout the world teaching for us. And we have a distinct US-style student life. We are working online and offline, both on campus and live stream. And we are delivering a very practical. One of the things that makes American education different is that it's very hands-on, it's very student-centric, and it's career-centric, I would say. So at this, from the year of our establishment, we have two schools: School of Management and School of Digital Technologies. In Ukraine, you usually call it facultet of, but in the American way, we call it the school. And we are proud to share in some of our achievements for these 2 years of operation. We have right now 350 students studying at AUK. This includes both bachelor's and master's degree. We have 6 bachelor's programs and 3 master's programs being offered to our students. Our students that apply to us put AUK as the #1 choice in their selection when they apply to the university. And we are proud to say that we already have our first graduates. The master's program, they last for 3 semesters, and those who have started in September 2022 have had their graduation just recently in 2024. If you take a look at our logo, you can see here American University Kyiv, and it says powered by Arizona State University, powered by ASU. What this is, what this means, powered by ASU. This means that we have a 25-year licensing agreement with Arizona State University for academic contact and dual degrees and exchange programs and many other benefits that our students can take advantage of. Arizona State University is very known and very competitive university in the United States and worldwide. It's worth to say that ISU has been recognized that #1 most innovative university in the United States, and it's been for 6 or maybe even 7 years in a row. And it's most innovative university in the United States ahead of MIT, Stanford, Harvard, Penn State in 2024. This is #1 university in the US by number of international students, ahead of Illinois, Purdue, and Michigan. And it's #2 university in the United States for employability. It means that the students, the graduates, are highly demanded by the employers in the future. As I said, partnership with ISU gives us a lot of opportunities. There's dual degree options, and you can see this on the screen. If you study for the bachelor's, you can have 3+1 or 4+1 years. If you go for the master's, you can go like Ukrainian diploma only or Ukrainian and American diploma only. And as I said, we have access to ISU content repository, which has over 1,300 different courses which can be taught and delivered to AUK students right away, right at the moment. So this is a huge advantage to us. I will not be stopping a lot on some of the things. If you have a question, just type it in the chat. And also I would like to say that this presentation will be shared, will be emailed to you after the webinar, so you will have a chance to read more carefully what's in it. As I said, we are proud to say that our first masters have had their graduation this year, and 32 of our masters have graduated not only from AUK, but from AUK and ASU. This has happened just a few weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and we are proud of our students. They can be graduated either by physically going to Arizona and studying there on campus, or they can do it virtually through study online. AUK has 14 founding partners, 6 larger and 4 smaller. 6 larger, you can see them on the screen right now, and the EPAM is one of our largest private investors. The others are DTEC, BGV, GAU, Brain, CG. Those are companies that have invested millions into education, believing that this is not only the field that can be regarded business-wise, but this is also a field which has a huge social impact on Ukraine and on this future. And no wonder that our slogan of our university says, education that gives freedom. Besides being powered by such a big and respected companies, which gives us financial stability and financial strength, we are offering a lot of just amazing and exciting opportunities to our students in terms of internship. You can see logos of some of the companies that are offering internships to our students, and this have been working from the very first year of our establishment. Some of the students have undergone through these internships, and these are important to say, these are paid internships. Some of the companies like 7-Eleven, they even cover things like travel and accommodation, besides paying some amounts of money to the students. As I said, we're operating online and offline. This beautiful building, those of you who are from Kyiv definitely know what it is. This is Kyiv River Port, a fabulous building, a real landmark of Kyiv. It's located on Poshtova Square. This is what it looks from inside. These are not rendering, these are real photos. And I can say that you can walk in from the street and look what it is looks inside. If you look at the building from its main entrance, on the left wing there is a cafe. You can walk in, take a coffee, and you can ask for a tour around the campus. And any employee who is in campus at the moment can show you around, and you can see the classrooms, you can see the computer lab, you can see the library. Right now, this building, it has actually 6 floors. 2 of the floors are in operation right now, and the other 4 are still being renovated. When the building is fully complete, when it's fully renovated, its capacity will be 2,000 students simultaneously. Yeah, as I said, we have active student life from hackathons to student events, balls, winter ball, theater, etc., etc. We have AUK talks, the series of offline and online events with remarkable speakers from all over the world, including, let's say, U.S. military generals, let's say, Nobel Prize winners, and many book authors and many others. Yeah, some photo from our first graduation. Student profile, I will not be focusing on bachelor's much, but masters. 80% of people who apply for a master's program, they already have a master's degree and they apply for the next one. They have fluency in English, they have 5+ years of work experience in managerial roles, and they, what is the most important, they have a proper mindset. They have a global way of thinking, they are focused on their not only on their future but on changing things around them. They are proud to be Ukrainian and they are proud to change the world, make it a better place and change our country. As I said, two schools we have, School of Management, the School of Digital Technologies. And by the way, I'm again proud to say that the School of Digital Technology has been branded after EPAM, which is, as I said, one of our founding partners. And EPAM is bringing the expertise in teaching and delivering programs to AUK students. And this program that we are right now at the webinar, the solution architecture, it's been developed and delivered jointly by American University Kyiv and EPAM. We have EPAM faculty. Maksym is a brilliant speaker and he is a brilliant tutor. Those of you who will be working with him, you are lucky. Yeah, we have a lot of more programs being delivered jointly by AUK and EPAM, and I will mention some of them in the future. Yeah, besides traditional bachelor's and master's programs, we have so-called lifelong learning. We started at the very end of 2022 with two programs which were run as a pilot. In 2023, we elaborated more on this and we presented more of the programs. 2024, where we are right now, we offering programs for IT and non-IT candidates, particularly we just had a course in behavioral economics. Next June, we're going to have, in 2 weeks from now, we're going to have a brilliant course on strategic negotiation. In the fall, it's going to be more courses on personal effectiveness, thinking development. And for IT, yeah, this solution architecture course, solution architecture fast track. Yeah, this is a bit different than traditional solution architecture. Product management, negotiation for IT, delivery management to levels, and engineering excellence. And we're going to have them offered now in June, and we're going to have them offered on repeated basis later in October, November, I think. So you're welcome to visit our website and find out more about the programs. You can apply immediately through the website. And yeah, my colleagues will tell more about the application process of the program itself. But should you be interested in anything else that you see on the screen, you are welcome to AUK's website, and you are welcome to ask any questions should you have any. That's it from my side, Yulia. I hope I didn't take too much time, but as I said,
Everything's okay.
any questions, just type them in the chat, and I'm here till the end of the presentation. I will be happy to respond.
Thanks a lot, Zhenya, for your presentation. Maybe someone has question and we can give time now for question about American University in Kiev. Um, if not, I can move forward and I can tell a little bit about EPAM. I guess many people in Ukraine know who EPAM is. EPAM is a huge company. In EPAM now, I guess it's a leader of software engineering in Ukraine and around of East Europe. But let's see my short presentation about main point of EPAM. EPAM is a public company, and EPAM is a huge player on the software engineering market. And EPAM supply many solutions for different domains around of the world. And you can see the slide, and you can see how many customers around of the Europe, around of the world EPAM has. It's different domain. It's financial, it's retail, it's digital, it's energy, and EPAM is not just only service company. EPAM has a product. Now our product is education, because at the beginning, EPAM try to growing employees, try to give to my colleagues, to me, to all employees in EPAM, solid background for growing and for educational. And because of this, now EPAM has different educational program for solution architect, for um, uh, project manager, product manager for cloud and DevOps engineers, etc., etc. And one day, leadership of EPAM made a decision about commercial education, and now we have some program for external candidates, for external students, and we can offer this program like a commercial education. Now during this webinar you could hear about our combined work with the American University in Kiev, and now I would like to introduce one program. It's a solution architecture program with university, and in this slide you can see like our main differentiators, our advantages. It's like all our teachers, all our speakers, the people from EPAM, it's high experience, mature people with like up-to-date experience. It's not just academic speakers. It's people from real project who are working now for customers projects, and you could be absolutely sure you will have like a top of the knowledge with actual topics for now. And we have many different programs, and our main, like our core program, is lifelong learning. My humble opinion is it's a best investment for now, for self-study and for education, because now our world is very fast, is changing off very fast, and you can see in our artificial intelligence many different tools are growing every day, and it's very important to grow in with these systems and invest to education now. um, you can see main fact about EPAM. It's like a 20 plus years of experience, 25 plus years country, and many trainers and many people, like our students, a lot of program, like online learning program, like solution architecture. This program with American University in Kiev, and it's a main fact about program. 100% online format. You can join to the program from different countries. All time you will have the access to our online platform for studying. It's a self-study and learning with experts together. It's like blended format. You will have platform with theoretic materials, with quiz, with different tasks. At the same time, you will have workshop, and you can learn this topic in the group with the subject matter experts, with our speakers. This program includes 2 modules. It's like 6 sub-modules. It's not so long. It's just 13 weeks, all this program, but it's program not for beginners. It's program for people with experience, and we have this requirements is 3+ years of experience is in IT. And yes, of course, we have requests. We have like requirements about English level. all our studying is in English at all, and you should have um, B2 plus English level. And it's technical program. For joining, for enroll this program, you should pass technical test at the beginning, and it's not uh, tough maybe for experienced people. It's quite easy, but yes, it's test. And we will have call with our enrollment specialist, and our enrollment specialist um, has check English level. You shouldn't pass special test for this, or if you have IELTS certificate or Cambridge certificate or some certificate from words university, I don't know, you can send the certificate and it's okay. um, you will not pass any test about English. And about program, two modules. This price discounts are available. You can check discount. It's a special discount for early birds. Like if you join our program now, you have like 2 days for join until 1st of June, and special promo code for webinar attendees. Now we can send this promo code to our group chat, and you can see this promo code on the slide, and special discount for EPAMers, for people from EPAM. People from EPAM can join to this course with 20% discount. Yes, and now we send link to our course to the group chat. You can read more information. You can check all points about this program, and we will send our promo code to the group chat as well. And in the end of the program, we will have a certificate from EPAM, and if I remember correctly, yes, and from IUK as well, yes, like a dual certificate from EPAM and from university. It's very good point. It's very good achievement for sharing in LinkedIn, in our professional for our professional network, to our professional account. And it's lifelong learning. It's not degree. It's like postgraduate studies program for specialists with experienced. It's not for beginners. It's not for like people who wants to have bachelor's degree, like a first degree. It's people with work experience. And Genia,
Julia,
do you want to?
if I may add, this ECTS abbreviation, it's European Credit Transferring System. One
Mhm,
of the things important to say, when you take one of the lifelong learning courses that I was showing you, including this one, Solution Architecture Fast Track, you order a certificate which contains some number of credits.
mhm,
Particularly this course, Solution Architecture, gives you 6 credits.
mhm,
If in the future you decide, for example, to pursue a master's degree in the UK, you come and you show this certificate, and these credits will be already transferred to you, which means you will have less classes to take to get your master's degree. So this kind of education helps you to, in the future, should you decide to go for master's or I don't know, maybe bachelor's degree, to save your time and money in the future.
Yes, thank you very much, Zhenya, for highlights. It's very important. I made this point. Yes, it's possible to add this credit to your future education. And from it's all from my side. Maybe do you have any questions for me, for Zhenya, or for Maxim? Uh, please type it in our chat. If not, it's absolutely fine. It's okay, and we will send this presentation to all our participants today. Presentation video from this webinar, and we will very happy to see everyone to our program. If you have Again, if you have question, you can send this question to our email. You can find this email on our site. I mean, AUK side, American University in Kiev, because it's a program EPAM and university as well. Thanks a lot for your message, Ekaterina. And okay, guys, have a nice evening and join our program with the American University in Kiev. Um, bye bye for
Thank you,
today.
everyone.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Zhenya.
Have a
Thank you very much.
nice and safe evening.
Thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.